Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create clips on Kik Streaming. So let's get straight into it. Now I will show you how you can create a clip while watching. So it's pretty much the same if you are a creator. So most creators map a button on their Stream Deck to the Alt plus X shortcuts to capture clips without leaving their game. So this is one good thing that you can set up hotkeys for your streaming. So Alt and X, it will capture you the clips without leaving the game. Now, if you are watching, so let's go what we would like to watch. So let's Grand Theft Auto, and let's say we want to from here, just like that. All right. Now what we can do here is you will see here at the bottom right corner, you will see here the settings gear icon, and if you go a little bit left, so the third one are the clips. So click on that and you will see here create a clip. All right, so now we can drag this on this timeline here. What you need basically to do is put the name into it and then publish. Now we have successfully published clip. You can now share it to other places. All right, so where you can find those clips are right over here. If we go to the top right corner to the profile picture, create dashboard, and then let's head over here to the I think the studio, right, like that, and then you will see here the clips. Right here you will find your clips that you have successfully saved. And yeah, this is pretty much everything. When you basically consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.